Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Advanced Java Collections Framework. In this lecture, we will explore three important concepts: cursor, iterator, and vector. These are essential tools for traversing collections and managing data efficiently in Java applications. By the end of this session, you will understand how each works, their differences, and when to use them in real-world programming. Cursor introduction. Before accessing elements stored inside a collection, Java requires a mechanism to move through them one by one. This mechanism is called a cursor. A cursor provides a systematic way to traverse collection elements without exposing the internal implementation of the collection, making traversal simple, flexible, and efficient. What is a cursor? A cursor is an object that allows us to retrieve elements from a collection sequentially. It is not a separate Java class but a concept implemented through interfaces such as enumeration, iterator, and list iterator. Every cursor performs two primary operations: checking whether more elements are available and retrieving the next element. Types of cursors. Java provides three types of cursors. Enumeration is the oldest cursor and supports only forward traversal. Iterator is the modern cursor that works with all collections and supports safe element removal. List iterator extends iterator by allowing both forward and backward traversal, along with adding and updating elements in a list. Enumeration interface. Enumeration is a legacy interface introduced in Java 1.0. It is mainly used with older collection classes such as vector and hash table. The methods has more elements and next element are used for traversal. Since enumeration is read only, it does not support removing elements while iterating. Cursor traversal process. Every cursor follows the same traversal process. First, obtain the cursor object using methods like iterator or elements. Next, check whether another element exists using hasNext or has more elements. Then retrieve the element using next or next element. Repeat these steps until all elements are processed. Enumeration example. This example demonstrates using enumeration with a vector. First, a vector of city names is created. The elements method returns an enumeration object. Using a while loop together with has more elements and next element, each city is displayed one after another in a forward only, read only manner. Cursor strengths and limitations. Cursors provide a simple and consistent way to traverse collections. However, enumeration has several limitations. It only supports forward movement, cannot remove elements during traversal, and is restricted to legacy classes. For modern Java applications, developers generally prefer iterator and list iterator because they provide greater flexibility